गाइज मैं पिछले 30 मिनट से रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था वीडियो और मैंने पूरा वीडियो डन कर दिया, मैंने वीडियो बंद कर दिया, मैंने एडिटर में डाला और मेरे को पता लगा मेरा माइक ऑफ था पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग में। मेरे I feel, I feel so freaking angry at myself. Why didn't I check my mic? Let's do this again. हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। और आज हम कुछ अलग करने वाले हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू रेट एंड रैंक द most famous Instagram influencers out there. We're gonna see who's the spiciest. And just to put it out there, this is not something objective. This does not define you as a person. And this is just my opinions based on your photo qualities, your posts, your followers, and yeah, just it's all of that. So let's dive right into it. Alright guys, let's start with Purbasha Das. Purbasha has 266,000 followers, which is a lot of people to influence. That is pretty epic. She also has a Snapchat in here, just documenting all my life-giving moments. Alright, a little cheesy, but I'll let that pass. And okay, alright. Let's see. That the jewelry is pretty good, dude. That ring is okay. That ring is too big though. I like the necklace, the earrings. I don't like the ring. I don't even understand the outfit because I can't even see the whole outfit, so I don't know. But I love this comment. Looking gorgeous, dear. जैसे कि तेजस जी इनके दोस्त हैं, मित्र हैं इनके. But only 743 likes. That is not enough likes. You have 266,000 people following you and you have 743 likes. That is bad. Oh my god, that is a lot of minus points, Purbasha Das. Oh, you know what? Plus points for that. That seems very difficult to do. Because you're hanging in the air and then you're pulling your weight up and it's difficult gymnastics. Here's a video of her doing it. Let's see. Okay. Flipping your body mid-air might seem easy, guys. It's not easy. I mean, I'm pretty sure she is learning. वो भी सीख रही है. I am pretty sure. Because it's not as smooth as I've seen like ऐसे talent shows वगैरह में. The thing I'm noticing here is different pictures में she looks very different. Like it looks like almost somebody else. Like if you see this and then you see I don't know, this, it looks different because of the makeup done different. I don't know. Alright, but that was Purbasha's profile. So how would we rate Purbasha's profile? Let's see what rating does she get. I think for now it has to be a capsicum. I'm sorry, Purbasha. For now, I'm sorry, but you are a capsicum. On the scale of spiciness, you're the capsicum category. I sound so mean. I'm sorry. I feel so uncomfortable doing this video because and I have to do this twice right now because the earlier recording I did not record my voice. So I am very uncomfortable doing this video because it's not easy judging people. I don't like to do it. It's very weird for me. Alright, next up is Amanda Sharma. Wait, is this the real profile? Old account hacked. Oh, so she has created a new profile. And it only has 10,000 followers. I don't know उसके old account में कितना था, क्या हिसाब था. But since this account does not have enough followers, you are going pretty low on the scale for now, Amanda. I'm sorry. But that's just how it is because it's about who's the biggest influencer. And if you just have 10,000 people to influence, तो आप कितना ही influence करेंगी? The pictures are not that great, man. Like, look at this picture. ये कितनी खराब quality की picture है. Why I would never post a picture like this. The whole screen is washed out. The lighting is all over the place. Color grading is bad. You should have cropped from the left and the right क्योंकि वहाँ लोग दिख रहे हैं, which is so unnecessary, makes the picture very bad. The background needs to be good. Yeah, that's a bad picture. Why would you post that? Why would you post this selfie? This it looks so fake. It looks so fake. No, I'm right now, Amanda. I am not impressed. I am just not impressed right now, Amanda. I am sorry. Okay, I see why so many followers. Because of the red hair. Everybody likes red hair. Obviously. So where will we put Amanda on the tier list? Where will we put Amanda on the tier list? Let us see. For now, Amanda, you have to be a chocolate on the scale of spiciness. I'm sorry, I feel so terrible, but your picture quality is just too bad. I'm sorry, and you have two less of followers, but you're doing way better than me, and I don't mean any harm. I'm sorry. But next up is Sabi Suri with a 50,000 followers, so that's more than Amanda, and no bio at all. That's a little weird. Oh, this picture looks so good. The left and right side is cropped so that there's no unnecessary elements in the picture. Yes, I love that. Thank you. And this is such a great outfit. The embroidery is so good, man. People are so skilled at making outfits and everything. And the jewelry, it just all goes together so well. This is a well put up outfit. Yeah. काफी बुरी क्वालिटी की वीडियो यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रही है, which I don't like. I cannot support you for that. Sorry. I think we've seen enough. Okay, Sabi. I think we have seen enough. Just calm down, Sabi. All right. So Sabi gets to be a green chili because her photo qualities are good. She has 50,000 people she can influence, and yeah, the outfits are great. I like it. Next up is somebody you might already know and must have heard of, Shama Sikandar, with a bashing 2.4 million people following her. Now that's a lot. Official account of Shama Sikandar for collabs. Actor, producer, motivation speaker, public figure, mental health advocate. Dude, I love that quote. Like ऐसे पंजाबी म्यूजिक वीडियोस में जो सिंगर्स होते हैं वो ऐसे ही कोट्स पहन के आते हैं सब. और बादशाह, like somebody, I am just imagining somebody like Badshah or somebody rocking that coat. It's a good coat, and those gloves are freaking good. That's a good outfit. It's well put together, matching the headband and everything. Rocking a traditional outfit as well. Variations, guys. Variations. You need to be versatile with your content. Okay? And there's some spice out there. Just saying. I'm just saying. Okay? I'm just saying. You're not obviously just here for the photography, are you? Wait. Is this her? This is her. Bro, I have been catfished. We have all been catfished. This is what Shama Sikandar looks like. In real. Just ये दोनों pictures तुम side by side देखो. This is so different. ये pictures देखो तुम. Oh God. Bro, जो भी, this is not a roast. Shama, okay? This is a compliment. जो भी तुम्हारा makeup कर रहा है, dude. Kudos, man. Genius. That is some genius makeup skills right there. So where are we gonna put Shama Sikandar, guys? It has to be high. 2.4 million followers, 3,600 posts. It has to be a red hot chili. Of course. Now next up, we are going to Karishma Sharma. Karishma Sharma is also a very popular person, a popular TV figure. She has been in numerous movies. I've seen her in a lot of movies actually. So yeah, she's a very famous person. So I'm expecting great pictures here, to be honest. And this is not a great picture. The background is great and everything, but this is the lighting and everything is just no. What is this? Dude, ये कितना अच्छा background and setup है. इसमें you could click such great pictures. What is going on with you, Karishma? This is not cool, okay? This just does not work. No. Beachwear! Pew 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 pew! I mean, you gotta engage the audience though, right? I get it. 40,000 likes and she has what? 2.1 million followers and you're getting 40,000 likes? 50,000 likes? No. Step it up, girl. मेरे हिसाब से ये मेरा ओपिनियन है कि आपके जितने फॉलोअर्स हैं उसमें से एटलीस्ट 10% आपको लाइक्स तो आने चाहिए. These just seem very ordinary, like you give your mom your phone and then she clicks your picture. Like what is this? She looks like 2 foot tall. What is this angle? No man, I'm so disappointed in this. It's not good, Karishma. Just not good. You have to be a capsicum for now. I'm sorry. You have to be a capsicum. You should embrace your inner capsicum though. The capsicum is great as well on pizzas and stuff. Aloo Shimla Mirch, for example. Next up is Sophia. Sophia has been trending a lot recently. I've seen some of her reels just come into my feed for no reason. But she is becoming very popular. As you can see, she has 4.9 million followers. 4.9 million followers बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Okay. Karishma, who is a popular Indian celebrity who's on TV and movies, she has 2.1 million followers and Sophia has 4.9 million followers. So that's like a lot of followers, guys. Right off the bat, I see why though. It's because of the glass. ये शीशा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा लोगों को, so that's why they keep following her. Obviously, there couldn't be any other reason, right? 268,000 likes. That's a good amount of likes. She's getting a lot of likes. She has people engaged in her content. देखो यार, तुम जिस भी टाइप का content बना रहे हो वो तुम्हारी मर्जी है, तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल है, right? So I'd never judge anybody for that. ठीक है, वो तुम्हारी मर्जी है. The main thing is, are you able to hold your audience? And I think Sophia is doing that pretty well. And I think she posts a lot. She posts a lot. Okay, Sophia definitely is getting high up on that list because she is able to maintain her audience and she is doing well. That's all I can say right now. Alright, so Sophia is some Trinidad. So it's just the second most spiciest pepper in the world. That's all you need to know, guys. Noura Fatehi. Yes, that's right, guys. What can we even say about the queen? Noura Fatehi is like an Instagram queen right now, man. Everything she posts, it's almost trending. 32.3 million followers. That's a lot of people to influence. 1,500 posts. Like I can't even try to judge her. Filmfare posters. Let's see if we can find a bad picture of Noura Fatehi. This is a great picture, dude. Is it a yacht? It's a yacht, right? Man, rich people stuff. ये होती है अमीरियत. Do we have any bad pictures? But every picture is great. You just know it's all professionally clicked. Like, there has been a DSLR always around her. I cannot even dare to put Noura Fatehi anywhere below the top tier. Noura Fatehi is the absolute top tier Instagram person right now. Hell yeah. Next up is Ruma Sharma. Ruma Sharma को मैंने recently एक timeliners video पे देखा था, some shopkeeper video that they do, and that's how I got to know about her. And yeah, 999,000 followers. She's a big deal. She has almost 1 million people following her, so that's pretty good. Actress, model, influencer, creator. She's a brand ambassador for some basmati rice. Okay, that's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. Ruma, if you're watching, can I please get some free rice? I'm poor. Do we have any bad pictures? These all look like great pictures. But wait, 8,000 likes 4 days ago, posted 4 days ago, and only 8,000 likes. You have almost 1 million people following you and you're getting 8,000 likes. What is going on, Ruma Sharma? 12,000 likes? Why are people not engaging with her content? But Ruma is very pretty, as we can evidently see, guys. So she has to be at least a little high up on the list. So we'll put Ruma Red Hot Chili Ruma. There we go. And just before we wrap up the video, let's view the most amazing account, the best account I found on Instagram, guys. The Sequid. What? Wow, what a beautiful person. Amazing. What a face. Wow. So great. I like it. Very good. Very nice. Yeah, guys, if you liked the video, just follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate your support. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to do something different today, guys, and I hope you found it interesting. It's out of the ordinary a bit. And again, the intent of this video was not to offend anyone or spread any negativity. It was all positive, and yeah, I just reviewed everybody that I thought was amazing on Instagram, and I just did something interesting with that. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like if you haven't already, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. And it's been your boy VoiceBox. I'll see you next time.